Oh, baby.
What's in it? My toys?
This is. It's been like that for. I don't want to leave you, but I have to go to work. Oh. See, guys, this virus is. I'm not even gonna try to look pretty today. I just have to get things done. But I'll be back right away, Bob. I'll be super fast. I'll just pass by. So there.
I need to stay here. Could you just cut your move and let it stay here?
No, baby. No. I'm not supposed to work. And I hope I won't get stressed there.
You mean her? You said him. Yes, thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby. I don't want to leave you, but I have to go to work. See, guys, this virus is.
Yep. Good. Don't let your energy on your mouth. Send it to your bottom.
No. Tonight, it's 3 a.m. in the morning, and these birthday waves just woke me out of my sleep, and they never stopped. So we're having a baby. So I got my worship music on.
Good job. Good. That was it. Try to keep that breath in. Okay? Hold your breath and then give your push. Try not to let it out your mouth too much.
Different?
All that, yeah.
Did you see the baby?
I didn't look, but I will look on the next one. Yep. Good. Don't let your energy on your mouth. Send it to your bottom.
No.
Yeah. Oh, heads out.
Don't tell me what it is.
No, we're not telling you what it is.
Oh my God.
Good.
Woke me out of my sleep. Y'all, this baby is coming today.